Are you having trouble trying to conquer the figure eight? Well, then I think you're in the right place. Hey guys, it's Joe Go with Joe Go Motorcycle Adventures. In this video, I'm gonna break down the essential steps that you need and give you some extra tips in order to be able to start doing the figure eight like a pro. Let's hop into it. So today we got the figure eight box set up at 27 feet by 46 feet. This is a good dimension to start as a beginner. Once you start getting a little more proficient at this, you can make the box a little bit smaller. But I suggest as a beginner, stay at these dimensions. All right, so step one, you want to start slowly entering into the figure eight box, diagonally going towards that far corner. This is going to be the only time that you come in and go to that corner. Once you get near the end of that corner, you want to quickly turn your head and eyes, and then you're going to want to turn the handlebars. So when you turn your head and eyes quickly like that, it's going to be a quicker transition to turn the handlebars. Your body automatically starts moving in that direction anyways. Step 3. After you turn your head and eyes, you want to be looking over your shoulder, searching for the center cone. Then you just want to follow through the rest of your turn. Step number 4. Once you're almost in front of that center cone, then you're going to want to start your transition. You're going to follow the same exact steps that I just told you in your first turn as in this turn. You're going to want to quickly turn your head and eyes, then the handlebars. Once you turn your head and eyes and handlebars, you're going to be searching for that same cone. You're going to be looking over your shoulder, searching for it. You're not going to be able to see it right away, but just keep your head locked in that position, and then you'll eventually see it. This will help you stay on track to complete this turn successfully. Now, once you completed those 2 turns, you're going to follow all the same exact steps, and the goal is to complete 2 figure eights and then ride out of the exit. Now I have some tips that will help you complete this and make it a little bit easier for you. My first tip is you want to keep a steady throttle. You want to keep your throttle around 2100 RPMs while you're doing this the entire time. Then this feeds into my second tip. You need to stay in the friction zone. So the way these two feed together, you got the steady throttle around 2100 RPMs, and then you're in the friction zone. And what this is doing, it's providing power to that rear wheel. It's very important to keep the power to the rear wheel, because if you don't, then you're just going to fall over. No power equals. My next tip, don't go too fast. This is a
slow speed motorcycle trip.
Was the word fast in there? I didn't think so.
You want to keep your speed around 5 miles per hour. Next tip, you're going to want to drag the rear brake while you're doing this the entire time. This is going to help you control your speed. So that way if you're going too fast, you can just put a little more pressure on that rear brake, slow you down. So my last tip is pull in your clutch while you're doing your transition. This makes it easier in order to turn your handlebars. But after you're done with the transition, you want to immediately get back into the friction zone. Do me a favor, when you guys go out and practice this, send me the video you practice in, and maybe I'll feature on the next video. If you guys want to learn more motorcycle drills and see some pretty cool rides that I've been on, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and like this video. Also, check out this video right here, and I'll show you how to complete a U-turn. Till then, we'll see you next time. Ride on.